Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. A quick review today on the EZSMART fan heater. At the time of recording, I picked this up for just under £70. I will link it in the description box below if you want to pick this up. I have also reviewed other heaters on my channel if you want to watch them reviews. This is good for small spaces like small office, small bedroom. It oscillates up to 80 degrees. It does come with a remote as well. We'll have a look at the remote first. So that's where the battery would go. You could see lock off and lock on. There was a battery already inside this. I just had to remove the film. On off, oscillate. We have a directional pad there. That's power down, power up. It does have an 8-hour timer as well, which you could control with these two arrows here, minus and plus. I'll show you the back. It has a built-in carry handle. This grill can be removed to clean the back. Just push that down. Mesh filter in there. That's what that looks like from there. You could clean that. If you want to look at the bottom, it's got some information there. 4 rubber pads. So you can also control this from the actual body as well. You do not need to use the remote. Some branding there. There is a motion sensor. So if it doesn't pick up a human body within 5 minutes, the heater will shut off. Once you walk back in front of it, it will come back on. You could either use it that way, or you could use it with the timer. So you could set like 1 right up to 8 hours of use from this little heater. Power on off. And then it's got the minus and plus buttons there. You have the timer button there, and that's the oscillating one as well. This is an 1800 watt heater. It has 3 settings. So if I just turn it on first, I'll show you. So it's saying P1 now. So that's letting us know that that's 800 watts, and it's showing us there it's 23 degrees Celsius. Plus button, that's P2. So that is 1200 watts now. Push it again, P3, that is full 1800 watts. If I want to use the timer, let's push the up arrow. So that's 1 hour. You keep going. When you get to 8 and you decide you do not want to use the timer, you just push it again. Go to 8. And it will go off. This does have the tip feature. So if your pet or child pushes it, it will shut off. And once you put it straight, it will come back on. Never seen a fan heater with a motion sensor. If you have, let me know in the comment section below. I just put the oscillating feature on. I don't know if you can pick that up on the microphone. When it's moving around, it isn't making any sound. It's just the fan. I like that it comes with the remote. Turn it off. It says fan. It will not shut off straight away. Detect the element inside. It will cool down first, then it will shut off. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like. Please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.